We are a small church, small congregation, big in the Lord. We didn't have a great big lot to work with. We knew that we were going to have that knocked down, towed down, removed, and cleaned up. Sardone and his construction family worked with our budget to build a church in West Dallas at 2034 Canada Drive. You modernized the design, which was going to work for the long hauls. The new space, I would say, affected not only our life, it affected the guests and the members that come from the type of building that we had to what we are in now. They were not only satisfied, but they were comfortable, impressed, and of course it was flexible enough for us that we could rearrange the seating to have different type of events in there and not just for spiritual services. The most memorable part was the finished part of it, knowing that we were in a comfort zone and we didn't have to wear with no unexpected issues. And we were what you would call satisfied customers.